So many traders I coach for years straight, much better than top hedge fund managers on the planet. Here's one of them. Brad started new account 22 trading days from 15,000 to 45,000. That's it. This is quality trader who would never, ever, ever, ever short reversal zone. Who would monitor here for reversal. That's it. So if you want to produce these results and you want to more than double, triple your account in 22 trading days, obey the rules and the skies are the limit. I'm very tough teacher. Brad knows this quite well. He cannot get enough on every system, every software I ever developed. Making $10 an hour before Brad came to Fibonacci Trading Institute. Listen to Brad's podcasts. This is phenomenal performance by intelligent trader who is making spectacular effort. That's it. If Brad can do it, so can you. Let's prepare for oil news, shall we? As again, if Brad can do this, tripling his account in 22 trading days, so can you. Trading Alpha Fibonacci System with rules, making a serious effort. So when students from South Africa, from New Jersey, from Texas, from New York, from Moscow, supporting student from New Jersey, it's a beautiful thing. The world is such a small place. When student from New Jersey, inspiring student in South Africa, inspiring student in Moscow, obeying the rules and knowing quite well. Key moment in front of you, as again we knew before it happened. This is not the place to short. This is a place to monitor for long. Black and white. It's Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, but price moves one step at a time. So while S&P testing you to the core, reminding you the importance of playing by the rules with non-stop vicious bullish pullbacks, let's prepare for oil news, as oil news is next. Preparation for your trade is at least 50% of the work. Let's go to oil. Well, before oil news. Oil news in 40 minutes, but intelligent trader knows far in advance. On day trading chart, oil at Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Sellers are in charge. Intelligent trader understands. This morning we expect sell-off on oil well before the news. But there is one obstacle left. This is a critical support level to the downside. So no matter how bullish the news is, intelligent trader not buying oil this morning. Intelligent trader understands with a high 90% probability oil will crash and burn because it's Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Always overriding all the news. Again, here is S&P at reversal zone to the downside. I converted this chart to 1. Intelligent trader understands this is crucial moment. Oil is not to the downside, oil to the upside at reversal zone. But oil moves one step at a time. This is critical key level on oil. This is critical key support zone. This level is out, oil collapsing to. So this is where oil heading to next. One step at a time, key level this to follow. This is institutional buy point. This is a chart. Big money is not trading little junky charts. Big money is not trading 1 minute. Big money moving money in weeks, months, and years. Weeks is the smallest chart for big money. So if you're trading with big money this morning, you understand this is where oil is this morning. It's a single glimpse, not the place to buy. This is a critical key historical level. But if oil not collapsing, not breaking through this level, present in the trading room for years, oil in bearish correction. On institutional chart, sellers are weak. We had massive bearish news on oil in the last 2 months, but oil keeps rallying from this level. You knew this months and years in advance. As again, if I take you back on oil to the month of November, look at that. Bullish rally is on, moving higher, and you know this in advance. So if you're trading multiple oil stocks, you are fully aware. This is a place that would be causing the problem. Correct? Major problem. This is where we are this morning. You knew this years in advance. But to the downside, this is key institutional support. This is brick wall. Massive bearish news, but oil keeps rallying from this level. Where during extreme historical events, this is your trading range on oil. So when you're trading with institutions and you know this many months in advance, you are strategizing your trades intelligently, brilliantly, well before the news. That's it. Bearish correction on institutional chart. On day trading chart, oil selling off. Lower and lower and lower. That's it. It's not about little retail levels. It's about historical institutional reversal zone. This chart present in the trading room for many years. So day trading is not for you. Use everything for long-term trading. That's it. So today I'm working with a student from Saudi Arabia. He quit his job. He's supporting family of 5, trading Alpha Fibonacci System, looking at the charts once a week because he loves spending time with his little children. His family a priority. Mustafa not interested in day trading. He loves to trade system long term. He signed up for all systems, all software I will ever develop. But Brad likes to trade system only as day trader. What kind of trader are you? You decide. But both Brad and Mustafa prepare extremely well. They understand the power of the system far in advance. Before oil news. This morning, not the place to buy oil. I'm converting this chart to 1. That's it. Oil will move as S&P, as Bitcoin does, one step at a time. That's it. And again, doesn't matter if it's 5, doesn't matter if it's 15. At the time of oil news, this is very important day trading support. Bullish spikes will be vicious. But the most important thing this morning is day trading and institutional reversal zone. This is critical, crucial, historical level that you knew years ahead. That's it. So when you're riding institutional train, the sky's are the limit. You decide what you want to trade. Both oil and S&P in a very different place. The only option on S&P to buy, not to short this morning, but to the upside, buyers are weak. We're at reversal zone, bullish spikes non-stop. 5, 6, 7, 10 points. Intelligent trader understands with a single glimpse. Buyers are weak. That's it. Entirely different structure on oil versus S&P this morning. Price moving one step at a time. As a retail trader, as a retail day trader, this is a critical, crucial, key part. This is your trading range on oil before oil news. S&P and oil in very different places. Completely different. Single glimpse is all intelligent trader needs. Congruency is a crucial part. There is no congruency on S&P yet. Bullish pullbacks non-stop, but buyers are weak. That's it. So while S&P picking up this steam, here is Apple. Key level, historical level on Apple. Intelligent trader knows what to do. How Apple sold off is exact same place where oil is. Except on oil we're testing support. On Apple this was critical support level. That's it. This is your trading range on Apple. This can last many years. All depends on response on Apple at 140. Amazon. Sell-off on Amazon historical from 3,800 to 2,300, 400 level. That's almost $1,500 per share, traders. When Amazon at this level, Amazon keeps coming out with excellent earnings. My goodness, look at that. Shocker. Absolutely not. This is Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone overriding phenomenal earnings by Amazon. You simply trade with the highest probability. Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone overrides excellent earnings on Amazon. Amazon collapsed from 3,800 to 2,045. Ouch. Again, if I take you back to, let's go back a year, May 2021, on exact same day, May 18th. This is Amazon. Bullish rally in a progress, moving one step at a time. 3,700, 3,800 is not the place to buy Amazon. You know this months and years in advance. Exact same place where oil is this morning. That's it. So when sell-off starts, you are not surprised. You are very well prepared. You are not a gambler. You understand if trading on the news worked, every person on the planet would be Bill Gates. It does not. Stunning and flawless reminder, when Amazon collapses, $1,400 per share. So when S&P picking up this team, intelligent trader very well prepared. Price moves one step at a time. You can trade the system as day trader. You can trade the system as position trader. You can do it at the exact same time on long term and as a day trader. That's it. No speculation, no gambling here. Ultimate precision. Euro. In exact same place where S&P is right now. It's exact same level. Euro testing key level to the upside. This is historical low on euro. We have not been at this level in 20 years. 20. It's a good time to travel to Europe. Oops. So if you're struggling to break through this level to the upside, it can be stuck at these levels for a long time. But how euro collapsed is no surprise. All in advance. That's it. No speculation, no gambling here. That's why I love converting charts to one. Market is a stepping stone. That's it. If you love being tested every minute, every second, day trading is for you. Brett, passing tests just fine. Mustafa has zero interest in day trading. He only wants to trade system long term. You decide what you want to trade and how. That's it. Oil news is next. Let's take a break. So here we are, traders. News in 4 minutes. We have no idea what the news on oil is. We are extremely clear. This is your trading range on S&P before oil news. This is critical key level. Buyers are weak, price is stuck in this trading range. There is no powerful buying, buyers are weak. Move on S&P to the upside. Move on oil to the downside. Next, I'm looking at the news only due to volatility because all Alpha Fibonacci reversal levels identified months, years, days, hours before any news. We respect news due to volatility only. With Alpha Fibonacci System, you know everything well before the news. On oil, day trading support, institutional resistance. Institutional resistance is a keyword. Institutional reversal is a keyword. Institutional buying is here. All of these levels are retail levels. And that's one step at a time. Move on oil to the downside. Here's oil news in 2 minutes. Expectation 2.1. Number less is bullish news, under supply. Number above 2.1 is bearish news, over supply. Again, you understand extremely well. This is institutional sell zone. No matter how bullish the news is, you're not buying at this level. Success rate on longs at this level less than 5%. You're trading with the highest probability, and you knew this, as we discussed on institutional chart years in advance. That's it. Day trading levels with institutional levels, giving you highest probability trades. Oil news is next. So again, we identify this as a key day trading support level. You are with me? Oil news is out. S&P is brutal because oil and S&P contradict each other. Hardly ever this happens. Typically, we're in the exact same direction. Right now, completely different directions. Extremely bullish news on oil. We have astronomical undersupply. So here we go, traders. Alpha Fibonacci system in front of you. I love bringing it in front of you every single time at the time of oil news to show you. Do not ever speculate and gamble and trade news randomly. Obey the rules, and when you do, the sky's the limit with Alpha Fibonacci system. Key moment in front of you. So again, spectacular bullish news on oil, but my goodness, what is happening on oil? How is it possible? It's selling off, it's not skyrocketing. Oh, we see it at the time of the news all the time. As you saw on Amazon, as you saw on Apple, as you saw on Tesla, as you saw on Netflix. This is a power of reversal zone. This is the power of your brilliant trading. You are not a gambler. You're not majority of traders. You're intelligent, strategic, proactive human being in your life, in your health, in your trading. Oil stock, there is no bullish rally. And that's very powerful reminder. Never ever ever pull a trigger randomly. We knew that buyers extremely weak on S&P. And we know that buyers extremely weak on oil. Completely opposite direction is a causing problem for S&P. There is no bullish rally. There is only bullish weakness. Only when rules are met, take a trade. That's it. So on Bitcoin, this is historical level. Historical level identified many months in advance. This is your trading range on Bitcoin. Prior, buyers stepped in on Bitcoin at this level. But again, this is exact same level on oil you're witnessing this morning. That's it. So when oil and S&P stuck in completely different direction, it's causing a problem for both. Bitcoin testing key level in front of you right now. But again, you knew this many months in advance. I'm taking you back on Bitcoin by a year. No matter how many Bitcoin funds went down, no matter how many billions in Bitcoin had been hijacked, had been stolen, Bitcoin still rallied from this support level. That's it. No speculation, no gambling here. Ultimate precision, ultimate Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone before any news. That's it. News in Dubai very different than news in New York. News in Singapore is very different than news in London. Never forget that part. With Alpha Fibonacci System, you know all of this far in advance. So focus on this, please, and understand. Trading on the news will never make you any money. Trading with your brilliant strategic mind does. You knew many months and years in advance. This is where Bitcoin would crash and burn from, as it's done 65%. This is exact same level on oil this morning. Bitcoin testing key support. What is price telling me this morning on Bitcoin? This is key moment, historical event. I'm not bullish on Bitcoin. I am not bullish on Bitcoin. Again, this is key level. This level is out. 15,000 is next. 10,000 to follow. 5,000 to follow on Bitcoin. Oops. Historical event. Historical level will determine Bitcoin for many, many years to come. True story. Speak with a trader who is holding Bitcoin till 100. He's still laughing because he's trading someone else's money. Collapse 65%. If you're trading your own money, you obey the rules. There is a reason I named this level reversal zone. Market crashes from this level high 90% of the time. Why in the world would you buy? Tell me. Exact same thing on Tesla. Exact same thing on euro, on pound, on gold. How is it possible gold collapsed again? Inflation at the highest levels in 40 years, but you knew many years in advance that this is where a crash will happen on gold. That's it. You are a strategic, intelligent human being. Here's oil. Historical bullish number on oil. Oops, not so fast. Oil doing exact same thing as Apple, as Amazon, as Netflix, as gold, as Bitcoin. It's all in front of you on any chart you choose to trade. I'm converting this chart to 1. Is anyone surprised? Should not be. Remember this retail level to the downside. Remember institutional sell point correlating with retail sell point at the time of historical bullish news, not so fast. And that's the reason my students are dearest friends for life. When you trade Alpha Fibonacci System, you're trading with much higher probability than any news will ever be. Because if trading on the news worked, every person on the planet will be Jeff Bezos. It does not, and it will never work. And that's Alpha Fibonacci System in front of you, with a very powerful reminder. If you make an effort, the sky's as the limit. Never pull a trigger randomly. Be proactive human being. If you are in life, it will all be reflected in your trading. That's it. So when since the start of extremely bullish news on oil, 20 minutes after oil news, oil collapsing 200 points plus, it's a very powerful reminder. With the Alpha Fibonacci system, you know market direction well before the news. You are not a gambler, you are a strategic, intelligent trader. So please make an effort, and the skies are the limit on any instrument you will choose to trade. Price always moves one step at a time, no matter if it's 3, no matter if it's 5, no matter if it's 10, if it's 15. This is a very powerful lesson this morning. Shortage on oil? Of course. In this extreme world, absolutely. But Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone overrode that news again and again and again. Collapse still on, continues. Bullish news did not mean a thing. Exact same thing as on Amazon. Exact same thing as on Tesla. Exact same thing as on Apple. It's all the same. So if you understand the power of reversal zone, if you understand the power of pure price, the sky's as a limit. You're trading news only based to volatility. And that's a very important lesson this morning. So if you want to trade with ultimate precision as intelligent, strategic, institutional trader, I look forward working with you. You can always request invitation for our trading room, but please do review all the information on our homepage, where you can find podcasts, testimonials, emails from students' performance. And as you could see clearly, this is a system you can trade on all instruments, all platforms, or you can choose lifetime software for NinjaTrader 8 with multi-market scanner, live classes, live trading room, video library, and modules. So please click on students' podcasts and listen to students' podcasts from all over the world. Click on view students' performance and view students' emails from all over the world, as you can be one of these traders who is sharing podcasts, who is sharing your story. And please choose from option appropriate for you. Private mentoring includes all options: group course, video library, modules, lifetime system, all platforms, lifetime software for NinjaTrader 8. Second option is a group course with video library, modules, trading room, lifetime system for all platforms, lifetime software for NinjaTrader 8. Savings $3,000 and up. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much. I hope you learned a lot. I hope you learned how to trade the news and extreme times with Alpha Fibonacci System.